I was invited by Ray-Ban to come up with 5 creative scenarios that would be an inspirational jumping off point for other artists to get songs out of or create something out of. I didn't get it at first, but then when I started to get it, I thought it was a really interesting premise, you know. And that was the thing that kind of snagged me, actually. What could I present to other people that may provide some kind of inspiration for a song? People I don't know. The thing that was interesting for me was this idea of playing with some lesser well-known bands, but not me getting in a room playing guitar with it, which would have been kind of obvious. It's me presenting some interesting kind of scenarios that may provoke, you know, some ideas or creative sort of response. I've tried to come up with 5 different jumping off points that for other musicians to maybe get a song out of, or an idea or a lyric or a concept that is interesting to them, and that is not the obvious thing that would be interesting to me. The process of making these elements was interesting, but coming up with them, because they all have to be slightly different, but they still have to be inspirational. It was kind of a challenge, really, and I enjoyed the challenge.
Keep true to the dreams.
Being involved with Ray-Bans, which I've worn for years. You know, when I first decided I was going to do this project, a manager who's first started managing me when I was like 17, 18, he won't like being reminded of that, but he said, well, look, when we first met, you used to wear those Ray-Bans all the time. There's loads of photos of you wearing them. It's not like I'm doing anything I don't already have a history with, you know.